Hi Bhuvaneshwari.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Could you please explain about yourself, Bhuvaneshwari?
Yes, sir. First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity for attend this interview. My name is Bhuvaneshwari. I am from Jagdirgutta, Hyderabad. I have completed my 10th standard in ZPHS Jagadgiri Nagar School. I have completed my intermediate in Sri Gayatri College, Kukatpalli, securing 80%. Now I am pursuing degree final year in BCom Computers in Pratibha Degree College, securing 90%. And my hobbies are listening music and singing. And I have my achievements are I have gotten a scholarship from the Cognizant company for 2 years. With that amount itself, I have independently studied my intermediate. I have completed my intermediate, and after that, coming to my work experience, I have worked as a computer operator in Mi Seva Center in order to help my family members financially. And after that, continuing the education as well, I have worked as a customer care executive in corporate staffing solutions for 6 months. So this is about my work experience. And coming to my family background, we are in our family we are four members: my mother, father, and my brother. My father is a painter, mother is a cook, and my brother is I have an younger brother. He is working as a lab technician.
Okay, good to hear.
Thank you,
And
sir.
how was the feeling? Like you cleared the first round, right? So now you are in
Yes,
the technical round. So
yes.
how did you feel? Like what do you gain here?
Yes, sir. Before joining in the workshop, as I shared with you, I have a work experience in a domestic field. So I didn't even don't know what is exactly happening in the IT sectors. So I learned a lot over here, getting training in these workshops. At the same time, as in our mobiles and in our like laptops and PCs, we are using like an n number of applications, right? So we didn't even don't know what is exactly happening behind that application. So after getting the training from the workshop at Techqflow Solutions, I come to know what is exactly is happening and how many people are been working over in order to develop one application. So as from the background work, n number of people are using at present, so which is a very interesting and exciting sector which I come to know. I
Okay,
didn't even know, right? So it is good.
good. It's like which model is better? SDLC or Azure?
Sir, agile methodology is
Why Azure
basic.
model is the best?
So because previously the people used to as I heard that the people used to use SDLC model. So now the people are very habituated to the agile model due to there are the n number of stages over here. So first starting from first the step is to PO sign in process would be there, where the product owner takes the requirements from the client to develop the code, and then the PO assigns the code, assigns the work to the people, and the second thing is ready for refinement or call for refinement. We can call it as. So over there, the PO come to know whether it is been good or not, whether it is useful to the people or not, and the next stage is ready for development. Whereas over in this stage, the code is been going to develop. So after that, development in progress. So in this development progress, whatever the developed code is there, so they checks the code whether it is been correct or not. After that, the developed code code will be go to the like a pre-review. Pre-review is nothing but the code which has been designed by the senior, designed by the junior will checked by the seniors.
Mhm.
So after that, the code will now the code and the structure everything is ready. So now it is come to the time to check it. So here the testers will be come into the frame, where it is a ready for QA. Okay, so in QA the testers will be available. So the testers is the testers should have a negative mind, so that they come to know whether the code is being useful to the end users or not. Developers writes the code in a positive way itself, but whereas it comes to the like a quality analyst, testers, the testers see the a balance over there, negatives and positives of the code over there. And after that, QA in process again, over here this is called as a staging step as well. So where they can recheck the a coding. After that, a PO sign off. So if everything would be fine, if the coding is done by whatever the coding is done by the developers and checks by the QAs, if it is okay to the client, then the requirement is we are fulfilling the requirement of the client, right? So that then the project will be closed. So
Within the 7 days only you learn this all these things.
yes, sir, of course. Due to because this is a fresh and new topic which I haven't heard about this previously. So that is the reason I'm very enthusiastic to learn the new things. So like first day of the class itself, like whoever the visitor in our college. So over there in first class itself, this workshop has been attracted me. So that is the reason I have like a continued in these 7 days. But it is a very like great thing, sir, whereas within 7 days we have learned a lot. And even though after this like workshop, I like personally feel that if I have like 45 to like a 50 days, whatever the outside like trainings have been providing, right? So if we have that many days, we can come to like we can learn more and more.
Yes.
So this is the feel which I am having at present.
Yeah, good to hear, Bhuvaneshwari.
Yes,
So
sir.
actually, as my observation, definitely you will get a job.
Thank
Never
you.
give up. Okay. So if
Yes.
you went to one interview, if you are okay, then if you are failed, at the time you can take the positivity.
Yes, sir.
Why I am failing? Next interview I need to cover that fail.
Yes.
Okay. Definitely you will get a job because of you have the good enthusiasm, good communication, good confidence.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for your.
Parallel you are working, parallel you are studying.
Yes, sir.
I know that that thing.
Yes, sir.
So where you are, definitely you will get a good position within the short time. Okay, don't never give up this all techniques. Okay, please remember
Definitely.
this all topics. Okay,
Sure,
and
sir.
how many types of environments do we have?
Yes, sir. So at present we are having like five stages of environments. So environment is nothing but where the n number of people working together for the one like a project, which is the requirement of the client. So that if the product gets success, we are the like great persons, right? So this project, this the client requirement has like a differentiated into five stages. So first is a local environment. In the local environment, like the code will be going to develop. So and after the coding after the coding, the next step is like dev environment, where the persons where the developers like designs the code over here. And even though after this QA environment is there, where the testers will present in this environment in order to check the positives and negatives of the coding to be used better usage to the users. And next come to the uh, staging, where in the staging it again rechecks the code in the same manner, but wherever doing it one after rechecking the thing, we come to know like effective results will become, right? So staging is a very important like environment where we supposed to be check all those things. And after that production, obviously to the end user product, we will be publish the application to the end user. So over there and one more thing, sir, whenever we are like if we see the like URL in the laptop or else in the desktop, we can easily say that in which environment the application is being like we are seeing. If there is any www dot like URL, we come to know it is a like a production, it is in the production stage. So if there is any like a https dot dev dot slot, we can easily conclude that it is a dev it is been in the dev environment. So like this we can say the application in which stage the URL or the application is been there.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And nice to talking with you, Bhuvaneshwari. HR
Yes,
will get
sir.
back to you soon. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.